Welcome to the channel Professor Davinci. Circular measure under trigonometry. Trigonometry is the mathematics of triangles. Trigonometry is the mathematics of triangles. Astronomers looking at the stars started to develop this trigonometry thousands of years ago in ancient Egypt, Mesopotamia, and India. Nowadays, trigonometry is applied in many fields. For example, a sound engineer could use trigonometry to analyze and create sound electronically. Second, a programmer of computer games software might use trigonometry to create three-dimensional images and to make it movement look realistic. Number three, a flight engineer would use trigonometry to combine details of speed, distance, and the direction of the plane and the wind to produce an accurate flight path. Okay, so these are the background of development of trigonometry. Now, the first topic of trigonometry is radians. Okay, so sorry, not radian, it is a radian. Okay, radians. Until now, you have measured angles in degrees. Okay, in some contexts, it is more convenient to use different units like a radian. So radian is a kind of a unit. So what is the radian? Actually, what is radian? How it is measured? 1 radian is the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc with a length equal to the radius of the circle. That is the definition of the radian. Now, so 1 radian is the angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc with a length equal to the radius of the this is called a 1 radian. Okay, so I draw this one simply so you will understand. For example, if I like to draw a shape. Suppose this is the circle. Okay, the center of the circle is, assume that is this center of the circle, and this is, suppose if I draw a line, if I draw another line. Okay, so that means what? This is the radius and this is the radius. If I draw the arc, the length of the arc, that means from here to here, the length of the arc is also r. Okay, the length of the arc is also r. Then the angle suspended between the arc is called a 1 where's the one, and this is 1 radian. 1 radian. Okay, now understand. So 1 radian is the angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc. This is the arc. By an arc, the length is equal to the arc. So this is the arc. Okay, the length of the arc must be equal to r. Then the angle between these two lines, is called 1 radian. Understand? So this is the definition of a 1 radian. Since the circumference, now from here we can draw some insights. What we can draw insights? We can infer, or we can tell that uh, 2 pi. What is the circumference formula? Circumference equals to 2 pi r. Okay, so meaning that 2 pi r. Okay, this means that the whole turn is 2 pi equals 360 degree. Okay, that is 1 radian. 1 radian equals 360 degree divided by 2 pi. So always 1 radian equals 57.3 degree. Okay, the angle in radian are often given as a multiples of 5. For example, we can say pi radian, always often referred as a multiples of pi. Pi radian equals 180 degree. Pi by 2 radian equals 90 degree. Pi by 4 radian equals 45 degree. Pi by 3 radian equals 60 degree. And pi by 6 radian equals 30 degree. So this is the explanation of a radian. Okay, now let us see some small example. I remove this margin. Okay, right. Small example, say example number 8. Example 8. Write 240 in radian. In radians. What is then the question? We need to find a 240 degree in terms of radian. Already we have seen what is the radian. Here 2 pi, okay, equals 360. Already we have seen 2 pi equals, see here, 2 pi equals 360. Okay, now 2 pi equals the complete 360 degree. Then how many pi will be equal to 240 degree? Right, this is the question. So whenever the question like this, very easy, just simply 2 pi divided by something what we should know equals 360 divided by 240. So this is say, let us say this is x. Okay, now which implies that we can write 240, 2 pi divided by x equals 360 divided by 240. We need to know x, so bring the x to the numerator. X by 2 pi equals 240 divided by 360, whereas x equals 240 divided by 360 into 2 pi. Okay, so 2 pi, this one cancel each other, will become 240 divided by say 180 pi, which is equals, so 240 and 18. Okay, that is, we can say this is 4 by 3 pi radian. Right, understand how 4 by 3 radian? Very simple. This is 360s, this is 460s. Okay, so you'll get an answer which is equals 4 by 3 pi radian. Okay, now let us see the another example. Let us see the another example. B. Change 0.83 radian to degree. Okay, already we know the same thing. How to do? We know that 2 pi. Okay, 2 pi equals 360 degree. From here, 2 pi equal to 360 degree, and 0 point, sorry, 0.83 equals how many? Okay, so we can say that 0.83 divided by 2 pi equals, say this is, say, x. We need to find x by 360. 0.83 divided by 2 pi into 360 equal to x. Cancel each other, 180 degree. So we can say that we can calculate 0.83 times of 180 degree will become 47.6 degree. So sorry, 47, yes, this is radian, no? So this 8.83 radian equals 47.6 degree. Clear? So this is how we used to find the radian. So in another words, radian is the measure of angles. Okay, what is radian? Radian is the arc with the distance of the radius. Then the angle between the two end of the arc meets at the center. Then that is called a 1 radian. This is the one. Okay, right. So this is the 1 radian. So 1 radian is the angle subtended the center of the circle by an arc with the length equal to the radius. It is the 1 radian. It is a measure of this angle. The distance, the angle is called 1 radian. Okay, guys. See you. Have a great day.